Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is a quick tutorial on how to use Flipgrid as an educator. So if you go to flipgrid.com, then you already signed up from here. Then you can click on Educator Login and choose the email that you've used to log in to sign up. So Google Login in my case. So now that I have chosen the email that I've signed up with, I am now into the Flipgrid dashboard. So I'm going to add a new grid from here. I can test grid, for example, and then I can choose how I control it. So school email means you invite students by email, or public, and PLCs is just it's public, and then you can add a password. Next. And then you can add a password from here, but I'm not going to add a password. You can go to your grid and edit some stuff from here. For example, I don't like this picture. So I'm going to edit it from here and then choose another picture that is maybe more relevant to my topic, or choose something else and then update it. For example, I'm going to choose this one and then update grid. I can add a new topic. So for example, I'm going to add the title of that topic, the recording time, and the description of that prompt. So this is a prompt. For example, you can make it bold. You can make it more alive by recording a video, uploading a video, add a video, upload an image, add a GIF, or add an emoji, and any of that other things. But one thing that I like very much is dragging a YouTube, particularly if they're going to respond to a particular video. They're going to you will need it. You will need to add the YouTube video into your prompt. So I pasted the link here and then I click next. So here's my topic. In this case, my topic is ready. Now, one of the things that you can do is actually you can click on more options, and then you can adjust the feedback that you're going to give. So for example, the basic feedback that I have contains ideas and performance, but I can add a custom feedback, add a criteria. So for example, one of the criteria is time, for example. You can describe it and you can choose minimum and maximum score. So engagement, مثلا, the level of engagement. Okay, sorry, level of engagement that the student has. Whatever the criteria go into it. And then you're going to create this criteria. Now, in this topic, I want my students to be evaluated based on the engagement and the response. And then we're going to create the topic. Now, for instance, you gave something to your student, you gave that link to your student. Maybe this is the link to the topic, not the grid. Now, remember that the grid has a link and each topic has a link. But if if they have the link to the whole grid, they don't really need the individual topics. It's totally up to you. I'm going to record the response real quick to show you how you're going to evaluate it. So actually by clicking on record the response, you can change. I'm going to add this to record it. Okay, so I'm creating a recording. I'm adding a sticky note. This is more of how it sounds to your students or how it looks to your students. I'm going to add the text and so on. So this is like a few seconds video. And then I'm going to click next. Record it. Okay, so I'm creating a... Right. Now I can take a selfie. And here we go. I think my topic is ready right now. Now my response, or presumably the student's response is ready, and it's added to the Flipgrid. The student can put a name and a title and a link, and then submit that video. Okay. Now once they do so, you can respond to them as educator. When you sign up as an educator, you have that option. So you click on that video that this person put. Do you see the feedback option? You can offer a video feedback that is going to go for students only. This is very private for the student. And then I'm going